Sibira kurungi twakutangirira eshaha n'Agacencwire ebiro by'okwezi bya 20 okwezi no kwa kabiri omwaka n'2026 Serena Nuwamanya ne Sunday Brian nito turabe tukutwara mu Agacencwire agutwatebekanisa omwebasyo gunza kwakire mtu y'amakuru tugaruce n'amakuru mbwejire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kuhikibwaho
blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Agacencwire kireki abana babiri ba St Mary's Primary School Chamuhunga abatirwe nkubetine njura bakaferaho bashabirwa muri Bushenyi. Uganda na Budachi bayongera kunyweza umukago bari kutongoza kw'inkore ya Vision Initiative for Sustainable Agriculture omuri Kampala.
Thank you and through you the people of the Netherlands for their generosity to Uganda.
Tebekanisa z'umwore ko gwa Harvest Money zayongera kuhinda.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kuhikibwaho.
Blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Agacencwire ombwejwire enkuyanja y'abantu yaiteranda hari Chamuhunga Catholic Parish okwinamira embiri y'abagenzi ababana babiri bishomero abatirwe nkuba omushaha za Chamshana kandi bakaferaho.
Enkuyanja y'abantu yayiteranira hakereziye ya parishe ya Chamuhunga okwinamira imbere y'abana abatirwe nkuba abana abafire omwe na Ainembabazi Maria Princess ow'emyaka mushanju kandi obiri nashome cyo kubanza na Aine Mukama Augustine ow'emyaka 8 y'obukuru obiri nashome cya kashatu bombe no bazarwa mu town council ya Chamuhunga omu district ya Bushenyi.
ya St Mary's Primary School shasha konkare katsabi rohangara kamani itwi okutujuna rohangara muzeire anjire mbabazi okusasa achare n'ibindi nabyo ibi nabyo twasize mukama
atabana bari kubangwa cyane ntumara so twena twipa abana aba babiri barika afada kuyagamba aho bishoka cyacyaho aho bishoka mutokeri pakigira so bambe nabo kabandi babiri kwanga bazakwatisha so ngofu ebakwatije
abazire babana bagamba abana babo
okushoma kwa Maria akatarika iriya aho kugira ngo witunane kandi tenda gwatambye abo batwita representation kumara kwenda kuteka mu hospital mu minute 200 twajyatamu ijata St Mary's Primary School okusoma kwa Maria hii chukule kunyereka kunzi abiri nandero muhigo mari kubego mutumo kekinga gishimwe wabadashimye bari bataka
Christine akazaro yazabete na kusoma kweli agataka kugira amandika sana na abawara n'umusako utakakitse mwene ibintu ndubuzabuza.
Umuhwezi wa mukuru w'abakozi ahabwa district ya Bushenyi yahumuriza abantu ahabwa ikibireho.
I encourage all of us to do what is calling or what is required of us as God's people, so that when we also die, because we are all on the way, we are able to unite with the departed soul and celebrate together in heaven.
Abaziri ni bahutuma babefamu.
Abana babombi nabicaro cumwe echa Chiryanshure umurica muhunga tabona kanso kandi nibija kuzikwa nyencha kare umakagabo amakuru agagasha kwa Onesimus Ndianabo.
Tugumiza mu namakuru umujecirwa wa Budach mu Uganda Frederick Kwespel yayongera okunyweza enkoregana ya Uganda na Budach bwa nyuma yo kutongoza enkore ya visa ningashe Vision Initiative for Sustainable Agriculture. Okutongoza encourage kwakorerwa omumakaga Frederick muri Kororo Kampala.
Kuru wa Vision Group Don Wanyamaya yetabaha mukoro gwo kutongoza enkora ya visa ningashi Vision Initiative for Sustainable Agriculture. Omujecoro wa Budacho mu Uganda Frederick Kwespol nagira ngo encourage neza kuyamba munongo kutungura by'obuhinji hamwe n'ebizibe by'abahinji bari kubugana.
But what we don't have, like Uganda, is a perfect climate for agriculture. We don't have your 2 to 3 harvests a year, the abundance of agriculture variety. So my question always is, why is not Uganda the largest exporter of agricultural products in Africa? So I think that should be the goal we're all striving towards, the Netherlands and Uganda together. And that makes me so very happy to celebrate the long-term cooperation that we have with Vision Group. Together we work on the Best Farmers program. That's one of my biggest prides and joys, being an ambassador, being able to visit the best farmers, being part of the Best Farmers competition, and of course the Harvest Money Expo.
Oguhona yagira ngo encourage neza kongera kureta ba investor kurwo mu ihanga rya Budach kwijo mu Uganda nuko kushaba abanya-Uganda okujihagira.
The partnership between New Vision and the embassy has led to more business between Uganda and the Netherlands, not just the Hoos, but there's many companies in this field working together. And we see this partnership through these two activities, Best Farmers and the Harvest Money, as a way to attract investment, increase employment, and to boost Uganda's and the Netherlands' economic development.
Orukura Vision Group Don Wanyamaya sima Frederick Kwespol agumze ngo enkoragana hagati y'amahangaga eyonjire munonga kwindura embera y'abahinji hamwe n'abariso mu ihanga.
Let me take this moment to specifically thank you and through you the people of the Netherlands for their generosity to Uganda. Your Excellency, at many of the Harvest Money Expos and the Best Farmer events, you have always pointed out that with her fertile soils and excellent climate, Uganda has the potential to feed not only itself but the entire world. And I think you have just reiterated that point.
It's my favorite point to make.
In your address. So your support to this visa program is testament to the fact that you're not just talking, but you've actually been walking the talk. When we started these initiatives 10 years ago, many actors in the agriculture sector did not appreciate the impact of the media in transformation. We therefore remain grateful that the Embassy of the Netherlands and the people of the Netherlands, who were our first partners to believe in our shared vision, have stayed with us and have never looked back.
Oguyagira ngo Vision Group nekora ubuceka ihembe kureba ngo batungure by'obuhinji n'oburisa okukira cumwa ha muntu orukushemba y'obuco mu ihanga.
So as Vision Group, we are proud to be partners in this visa program that aims to accelerate the transformation of Uganda's agriculture from a largely subsistence sector into a vibrant commercial sector that will improve livelihoods of the majority of Ugandans and, of course, naturally stimulate economic growth. To the implementers, this program has set ambitious targets and a lot of resources will be invested in the delivery.
John Eremu uri omucencuzi w'amakuru g'orupapura rwa New Vision nagira ngo encourage ya visa egenderire kwihabura umunya-Uganda mu bworo.
We have signed contracts with clear deliverables and activities, and each of these partners bring on board very unique experiences and expertise. So rest assured that we shall deliver on this program.
In the ML Embassy, we've had the opportunity to work on the studies. We worked with the RBO, and we've had the opportunity to participate in the managing of the ML village.
Amakoraga gasha kwa Sulaiman Mutebi na Abdul Karim Sengendo.
Mwebare abanyamakuru betu abantu abari kuza koreka ebintu hebru kukozesibwa omukwinga no kureisa omwore kugwa Harvest Money Expo bayetera ndakitebe kikuru cha Vision Group omuri Kampala eki bachikora kwetebekanisiza omwore ko rugogoma oguru kuza kutandika okurigebera 27 okwezi oku okusya kibanza echo kwezi okurukwija
Orikura bachitunza bwa Vision Group Jacqueline Taweka nagira ngo Harvest Money kozera umurimo muhango abwo kubahati buriyo mamisha gatira ubuhinji no burisa Loli na Tairwe na jango myaka 10 hingwire barebere byo mishuburo biri kutunguko mu ihanga ekiyegekero more kugwa Harvest Money Expo.
Succeeds the agriculture sector, succeeds as a whole. So please come 3 days, come and enjoy, come and network, come and build relationships. Come and learn from each other, and let's celebrate the 10-year milestone together.
Orukure byivura bwa Vision Group Fiona Tamale yashaba bari kwenda kweta bomore ko gukwija ombwinji kandi bakachera.
When you come through on the day of the expo, we are using the Protea tent because this year we are at Kololo, not Nambole. So you know the Protea entrance, that's what the exhibitors use, exhibitors and sponsors and our service providers. So please let's stick to this entrance and not cause confusion.
We shall start our deployment on Thursday. As you set up this in the evening, be assured of security.
Orukura African Choice Holdings wakashaba Samuel yajangwa ha murundo gunbaza kurete bintu byo murembe amore kugwa Harvest Money. Yusuf Seruo wa Kibenge Farmers yajangwa nbaza kwereza abantu obukugu omukwingo mwani ebitoke hamwe nebindi bingi. Kintu naso wakasiriye Breeders Mitiana yaraganisa kurete ente z'amatezerukamwe hagati ya ritanshanjwe ikariga na burizoba.
Ngaffe tudiringira mu nte ez'amata. Tubaniriza okubaawo mu mwoleso guno
era nga ku mulundi guno tubaletedde ebintu ebyenjawulo byemuzenga mulaba ku TV nga tubiraga pampo ezikuba amazzi ebyuma ebifukirira ebyuma ebifuuyira eddagala kuga ebintu byonna omulimi byandibadde yeetaaga okubanga ayanguyirwa okulima tubireese mu birabeko nga bikola.
Bakasitoma baffe bonna abalungi abamanyi unique tituba n'ebintu eby'omulembe kuno tetuzze kutunda tuzze kuddiza ku bakasitoma baffe tugenda kubaawo ne promotion nga bwogula blender yaffe okuva German tukwerako DSTV yawe so nkunga bana Uganda mwenna mujje mu Harvest Money nga 27
ninkorera ekitongole ekibakweta Local Harvest Limited tuli abalunzi b'enkoko enkoko zetu ntuzirisa
omwere kugwa Vision Group gwa Harvest Money nuguba uru mwaka kandi omwaka oguguru hebira na mushanjo kwezi oku okutamu no mutwaro no kwega no mutwaro gumwe gonka amakuru agasha kwa Sulaiman Mutebi na Sengendo Abdul Karim.
Mwebale Sulaiman na Sengendo twaza kumuraho tugaruke n'eshweka echa kabiri.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi ecenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho.
Hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera no tumushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga no tumushanje no tumukaga 36
Noro no mwanya gwo buhumuro ogurumo businge kandi guboniro muri Mbarara City Summit Gold Hotel ni toburaro bwo murembe buri kishenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi tuneza cottages za gardens impango ezokora mu amagenyi agaburukika oine business meeting leta abantu bawe om conference hall tune restaurant ekutebekanse ebyo kurya ebyaburi muringo rero cyaka kukiringa bine bara erimu echo kunywe cyekikacho echo rukwenda ebyo kwerinda byitu bikebembire bindi byona okubukinga tera 07520 tusange asungine nakatare kakatozo akashozi kabe harwe omuri Mbarara City.
For years they have studied, they have trained, they have persevered. Now, the moment of honor has come. Finn's Medical University is proud to announce its 5th graduation ceremony. We cordially invite our graduating class of 2025, their esteemed parents and guardians, and the general public to join us in this celebration of academic excellence and professional dedication. The chief guest will be the Right Honorable Anita Among, the Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda. The university will also celebrate its charter. The ceremony will be held on Friday, the 27th February 2026, at the Finn's Medical University campus in Fort Portal. Proceedings commence at 9 a.m. Finn's Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumukidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma. Tugumiseze shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Dio ni shara cake tukaza kunyumba.
Nawo pensi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo. Nikushecherera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nikolera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nabagaruka yahishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi abo ashota kutwara icweka cha fiza y'ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntukozesa momo no tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konkana bwono basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero agacejumbire muri basa kwangura school van
namazima singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani y'ishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaloni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana note hash ninga koresa momo app.
We labor to excel is our motto. Long live Bonnie Conceal.
Hello Bonnie Conceal viewers. Once again I welcome you to your dearest channel, to your dearest TV at Bonnie Conceal Girls Vocational Secondary School. We are located in Isinjiro district in western Uganda. It is a girls' school. Our focus today, we are going to look at the Bonnie Conceal girls. They must tell us what do they like about their school.
Bonny Conseil is very wonderful, and what inspires me the most at Bonny Conseil is the way Bonny Conseil girls behave.
First of all, I like the discipline of the girls of Bonny Conseil. Take a look on the respect they give to the teachers and the fellow students too.
I find Bonny Conseil a home away from home. Our head mistress, she's one of the best head teachers in Africa. She parents us like a mother.
Sister Dr. Mary Gladys Kachopi Amoti.
Come we labor together, come we excel together, because here at Bonny Conseil, this is the spice of Africa. That's what I can talk about Bonny Conseil.
Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beja bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate yo nurse nursing certificate yo buzalisa midwifery diploma yo nurse extension diploma yo buzalisa extension itenda cyo handiswa mu bwijire omu ministry yo bwegesi nemizan kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itenda cyo ginentani sabwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batenda kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kuriya biri fresh kuruga mu farm zitendekero abeje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwo abeje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashasha sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma sirinje miliyoni 1.40 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju nshanju ni 5 nshanju ni 3 10 excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazumorya hano bari bategerize mu mbagano mangwe shazakire wansugo mu motoka riyo nenyusi yo guje hakunywa
mucyara unam utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufondorira kahurire
Kamwana tera chairman wembaga akongeze we nako kishahemu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatwe kanusira hanga waje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara n'abagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende n'abagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha entanga wuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS
twakuretera ishomero nyamurungi Light Secondary School Nyabubare Bushenyi District nirya bojona bishi kandi ni dena boarding ine unib center na license ya ministry yebyo bwegese bamaziro bwire buringwa bari gukora job bigezo ibya sine ya kana na sine ya mukaga omuri Bushenyi District bine library na laboratory birya mutindo gwa ministry yebyo bwegese otebirwe na computer lab kandi bibyona nibihwera beji okwikaja amashomo gabo nishangwa umugombora eya Nyabubare omuri Igara West bakine emyanya musine yo kubanza okukasine ya mukaga iwe tire simu uyetunjira umwanya noto mushanje ina 3 ashatu ni 5 5 nemwe 30
gumizamu n'amakuru usingire akaruru k'emyeto abw'emyeto eyabishi okwetorora ihanga yarabura abantu abakuru okurekeraho okuguma nibenyigira ombururu bw'emyeto nko muringo gumwe ogwo kutorana abebembeza barungi.
Erizoba wasinjira akaruru k'emyeto akabishyo kwetorera ihanga mase kanyesije yarabura abantu abakuru okurekeraho kwetasi ombururu bw'emyeto kikabaretera baruna bebembezi bebishobobo ahabwa sente nituma
ekizibe kishangire munongo mukaruraka abantu batari ba youth nibagezaho munonga kureba nguba influencing aba youth batera ba candidate babo nyunanisha bihanga ryona bampurikize ba stakeholders nabandi abantu bona eminyeto bagumene bagireka eyekore decision yayo nkayo
oguyendera yasima koti ya hoima ahabo kugendera amazima n'uburinganiza bari kugendera abajurizi obwahirweyo bakakumencha mu yemyeto
kashanga ballot papers ezitwabere tuteyire mu box ziri nyingi kukire twabere tuteyiremu twashanga ezimwe ziri kumisinga mu zitarumu twashanga serial numbers ezabe ziri ya box zitari ezibatereteyire mu koti ecyareteyire omuramuzi yasharamu ari kugira ngo takuza kwikiriza garaka mukubaro bururu abo kuba ebox bakabaji kwatsireho konka ekyo tiche cyamani munonga ngo ninyenda biremu
kanye sije yahamya kutekaho inkora erwija kuyamba imyeto yo no kwetorera ihanga kubabasa kuganyura program za government
nishubize imyeto ngo niza gukora neimwe kurebeka ngo twakora n'imyeto twagito mu government programs twagiyambaho accessing ezo programs kandi kindi twabayambaho okureba ngwe bine bizubu ebari kutunga no byakwa not about on the government programs bine bizubu binje bakutunga turebe ngo twabayamba nishaba abebembezi b'imyeto abihanga ryona twinaba regional MPs twine national youth council twine youth councillors twine youth league nani mbashaba ngutwatanisize hamwe tukore emyeto yiti yihanga
akaruru k'imyetaka kakaterwa biro mu kago kwa kabiri 2026 ubwo beshitongora cya electoral commission barangirura masekanye sije owasinje no bururu 2016 kandi akakwatirwa Diana Kampe akihayo bururi gana 98 n'abandi biti nabwanye makampe 2013 kwa kabiri yirukanjira umukoti ariko tombwitiro buhagizi bwa honorable masekanye sije akwenda karuru bakagarike mu kabarwe biti nabwanye makoti yayongera yahamya honorable masekanye sije nko musinguzi gashaka jime muhumza
Mwebare Jime Muhumza aba Renyaga Parents Secondary School Support Cooperative Savings and Credit Society Limited bakozire orchiko rwabo orwo murundo gwe 18 omurchiko orbira head office mu Rumwizi district ya Rwampara abebembezi basimira umurimo ogurwenyaga sako ekozire umukutungura ebyentasya
Renyaga Parents Senior Secondary School Support Cooperative Saving and Credit Society Limited einamataja atanagar head office Rwenyaga mu Rumwizi Rwampara Rubagano branch Bushere branch Rukono branch na Ruhama branch kandi binobuhereza buri voluntary savings fixed deposit savings junior savings target savings nobundi buhereza buri mutwerane life insurance kandi mu rukiko rubamemba basimirwe
ishemererwa munonga abo kugiraho urukiko kwitugwe 18 irizuba kandi mutima wa memba munonga gubasa kwija bakagwimigira munonga kandi kwenyaga sako ni sako eyayisa emyaka 18 umuhereza kandi iriyo nekora kurunje munonga abo kuba bamemba baganyigwemo bamemba twinemu abazire nirija tubayeza school fees kandi bazakushashurira abana baba yishomero
mwene ninyenda kwiga abantu bona baza kwenda bandebe shayeji kandi ndikubagambira nti Rwenyaga sako ni sako nunje munonga kwa netana kwa azindi sakozi habuko buherezo butwereza nibura kwa speed na munonga nkabakunda bindi sente zibanja ninga nkaroni kandi twine staff abo mutindo abinde bihandi kwegambirira kandi bakunda abantu munonga abo kwa nifamya niko tukisinga yo customer care musakoze zindi zona
aba bashomere bukozirwe kurebeka ngo imirimo ya sako yagenda misho kandi nebye bagenderire kora
15 kafina masoko kutunga amagoba ga miliyoni 5 n'emtwara 5 tija twatunga miliyoni 4 ashatunemwe n'emtwaro nkaga rwenda 5 so kandi hatwina masoko kutunga amagoba ga miliyoni 8 n'emtwaro 5
tukashagwe ngo ogoro chiko rwikirize okuhinguza budget ngo korwe abo mwaka ko 2025 kandi kikashige cyo kogoro chiko kandi cyo kikakorwa namba ya gashatu tukatuhingwize kugira ngo amateka agarategeka sako yitu tugarabe mu kandi thinda induremu kandi kikashige cyo kogwa omwaka ko 2025 kandi kikashige cyo kogwa board hamwe na management kandi icyo nacyo kikakorwa
obunyanzi bukacenderaho gake bwaruga ha percent ya 9.45 bwaza ha 9.44
Sylvester Ndirora mukamubira ryo mugenye mukuru ashabira abanyarwanda kore binte birukongera antasya ngo buhinji no burisa bwo murembe
tubeyo nebinte bukete sente burizoba hano ya nababuza niki ekikubaza kuleta sente buli izooba ni bingi munonga. Ekyokubanza kusika chapati, kutunda ennyanya, kutunda amanda, kuba n'akaduuka, kuba n'epiki.
Tuineho product eyindi eyibakweta bakyara tutunguke roni. Aho nituha abakazi bona sente batatiraho omusingo bazakora bizinesi omu kyaro.
Renyaga Parents Senior Secondary School Support Cooperative Saving and Credit Society Limited nibahereza loans zirimu commercial loans, agriculture loans, home improvement loans, school fees loan, boda loans, solar loans, water harvest loans, group loans, bakyara tunguke loans na agriculture fertilizer loans. Ndi Anita Tukunda.
Anita Atkunda abari kwebembera za sako na za banko mu ihanga bashabirwe okongera kushomesa abantu na mnonga abo abari kubana benda kweguza za loni. Ebi abigambirwa mu rukiko rwo kwendera umwaka ningashi AGM urwo murundo gwi14 urwa Kinoni Cooperative Savings and Credit Society Limited erukushangwa omuri Kinoni Rwampara District.
Omurukiko rwira hitaje ryabe rya Rugando omurushinano Rwampara rwitabire mu delegates okurwa mu mataji ga sako igona kandi rubegenderire kubanjura okusako igizene kurakorana no kwetebeka nsizo mwako gumse gw'inkomebera
Ekitu omwako ogu for 2026 tubarira 2.5 billion. For the financial year 2026 we plan to collect 2.5 billion. Ubiri miliyoni 5.1 utwara 3.8 as per budget attached as we are going to check on it.
Esente nizurugwo mushuburo gwito gwesente koko mushuburo ku kwaza kushubura sente nicyo teka maka sente kandi wareba hansaro sente zubakweta interest expense is ebitukozere turukuza kubiyaho amagobara ziryo mu brackets miliyoni 3.8 imitwaro 6.1 na shilingi 10 waziyaza haruguru usigazaho miliyoni 6.8 imitwaro 83 na 10,233.
Bimwe habihinguzi gukorwa mwakogu nko kucendeze mugabo akurgaha mitware 2 okuzaha mutwaro hamwe na insurance yatwera gurize aho iburumemba abinashashire mitware 5 buri mwaka okutunga bujanja bibona ngacyaba hakarwara.
Our normal share has been 20,000. It's now reduced 10,000 with immediate effect. Share mwebere mtware hati tuenangwe shume za mtwaro. Kani uchiko kurawe ATM ya chikompatinga chitantiro. To all loans will be free from shareholding. Tuinike kanye kugira ngo koraze kujya loan obanze wakura shares. Ukati tuenangu oraje basagikure oraje bazagireke konka loan zistamure.
Kireba mu twatu bunyachi cyeshafura ishafura yite kirindi. Kandi twatari improving arrangement mayisa ngo affecting the performance yit. So ba members kuba challenge mpangweru ekiryanshashura kandi twakajire munonga challenges za governance.
Abembezi ba district nabo hine bagambere.
Mbere sepo nyabu shomaje wareke kwemera uwo tafuta kubasa. Bachama ndira bareba anyumpo twarumutero atotabo nobotabo ekibanja takine kinoni nobota kine buhwevu nakebwa umwana wanje bamanyi
ikinareba baronze officer bagezeho munonga kwegesa abantu abukwiye ya maroni abantu kuba nibiye ya maroni bashimbe kuba nibegesubwa munonga roni zo kuzara kozesubwe kandi ikindi bongere kwegesa abantu abema akwabema bayene bemera batakwine cyo bakumanya.
Kinani sako inobuhereza bwa loni ezirimo agriculture loni, school fees loni, business loni, boda loni hamwe n'izindi nyinji. Aha wa TV West no Susan Charsima.
Webale Susan Charsima. Twazagaruka tumureho nitugaruka.
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugira kitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM n'emikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rw'ensi yona obwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents z'ebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga hatano ni 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bw'umurembe.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka erichasinjireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo rwa certificate na diploma omu diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu ey'omurembe kompyuta z'ekika ky'ahaiguru kandi eby'emizano bakabiteeka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'obwegyese na ministry of health kandi biine bus rugogoma ey'okutambuza abeegi ebyombeko eby'omurembe hamwe n'omwanya rugogoma gw'okushomeramu ebitabo ogurikureebeka kurungi nirishangwa aha nguudo nyeigendwa ey'Ambarara Isingiro otakakiro mu tahuni ya Kaberebere okumanya ebirikukiraho noti mushanju 2 kaga na mushanju 32 Mukaganemu. Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies nka national diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukunjiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba z'esimu 0772 96 90
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti
ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa.
Honey,
mwana muwe.
get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Katochi, no bunuzi bwayo. Katochi, Kenya mutindo. Okurugera izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nakwa hamutima ryaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi no bunuzi bwayo katochi Kenya mutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yenya mutindo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
burukunywa chikopo cy'omwana gwa Uganda ni kutandikiraho mu musiri umutindo ni gutandikiraho kusharura shoromenje maze omwana ziri kutukura kandi zikuzire aha kubeze zitakuzire nizishara umutindo n'entasya aha mwana gwawe waheza kusharura rindo umutindo yaniko mwana gwawe n'obuyonjo ahantu ndubare obutandaro narahatire cement kandi ubutaniko mwitaka yanjara kurunje omwana gwawe kandi otagurunda aha kuba wagurunda ni guhumba kiguretero kushara umutindo warinda umutindo nuba warinda entasya na nukureka omwana gwa Uganda umukatari kensi yona omwana gwa Uganda nugwo mutindo oguru kwesibwa obutumwa obu nibukukibwa ministry y'ebyobuhingi enyamishwa n'obujubi
Chunchumura kabozi tuntumure
oshemeza mu wife oshemeza mu husband komorera tukunywa cyakaboze multivitamin drink kutasyo munsi y'amagara marungi nicikuyambaho kwigura misi kireta amana masyo mubashije hamwe n'abakazi nendijo megasho kwata kaboze multivitamin drink otuntumura cyubaro na stress eco kunywa cyakaboze multivitamin drink nikikorwa bakaboze health products limited cyamibwa UNBS kandi cyuruhombe pimo bya milliliters 320 omuduka supermarkets hamwe n'imodoka z'abakaboze okwetorora ihanga ryona okushubara no kumanya birukiraho 072 15 91
Reka nkwanjurira Ibanda Secondary School. Ibanda Secondary School ni ishomero ry'abojo erukushangwa Kagongo Division Ibanda Municipality. Rirya hamusingwe Kereziya kandi ryebemberwa abanyadini aba Brothers of Christian Instruction. Nitwebembezo kutina ruhanga okubaje kwa beji ebyo bwegese ni class ya higuru kandi ombye mzano tino rukutwingana. Nitsima bazire abeji abegesa nabebembezi bishomereri abo kora kurunje bigezo ebyihanga buri mwaka. Okwika harurengo rw'ihanga ombye mzano nka football, volleyball, chess na basketball kandi bakayikana harurengo rwa East Africa ombya debate. Nitsima old boys ahabo kukunda no kuhagira ishomero bakatwombekere cyayi cyo murembe kandi ntubakira habo ibyemzano yabo eri kuza kuhendera ishomere birabiro na kimwe kwa kasha 2026 turiyo ntitebekanisa kuja kuze myaka nkaga kwihishomere ritandika ronchi nebiri 12
omukwa mukaga 2026
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you need for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil. Second best to a mother's love.
Nyenda kusima muhame akuba transformingire munonga umukwetegeza kwanje cya kabiri nijana nkejana hayroni ya kabiri nijana nagurente zamati iki cyanyamba munonga ko bajyangu tuzomagura culture kandi agriculture mu sente ushanga umwe n'ubugwenda kuzomagura culture twine sente konka rukumangwa ariyo muhame neza gumanya kwa sente zo koraki zo koza so project yo mperekeye kuzayo right now mpereze kwingo bunyatsi iyo ne funded by muhame mu sente zabo icyaka bintu kagurente izona ni sente za muhame tinde icyo ndino kucishanga ikindi yenda kutsima te transforming nkanye nk'umuntu transforming abantu bambare na bukanga mustere minyeto akubanye ndi munyeto ikindi cyo to kucishanga handi mustere muhame bweja kunu GDP ya buri munyeto umurimbare keri hansi konkanye ndoje ndore muri munyeto at least nuba nushanga ine account at least ine yero ya piki konka ahine cya kutahizeka
Ishomero chebembira gandi gona omunkumi 2026 ni St Karemba Secondary School Villa Maria nirishomesa abojo n'abishiki kandi bine day na boarding abashomesa batendekireje ebyo kurya no buraro bwabeje bibonire mnonga ishomero ryo mu mwanya gweherire ekiri kubasabeje okukora kurunje mbigezo byabo ishomereri riyinde na washing machine ekiri kumanyisa ngo abeje tebari kuteganisibwa kozi emyenda abana nibegesibwa kutina ruhanga kandi chebembiro mukutware midari yo kushomora imirwo rujamani St Karemba Secondary School nirishangwa Villa Maria om district ya Karungu kwenda kumanya biri kukiraho tera note umushanje note 5 nkaga na 8 nkaga ni 5 kinana na mukaga note umushanje note 4 5 ni 5 kinana na mwenda 24
muzamu n'amakoro ekitongole cya gavumenti ekiri kujonanizibwa byo kuguza hamwe no kugura umuyihanga echa Public Procurement and Disposal Authority showize engenderwa hensya okwera abarukore emirimo okugikora kurungi
ubwanyuma y'ekitongole cya gavumenti ekiri kujonanizibwa byo kuguza hamwe no kugura umuyihanga echa Public Procurement and Disposal Authority okushohoza engenderwa hensya hatabariyo muhuriro yo kuzimanyisa abo bona bukiri kukwataho okwetorora ihanga aba batandikire n'abebembezi abakozi ba government hamwe n'abandi abucuru kwataho mucanga ca burengero izuba omushomo gumazire biro bibiri aha Hotel Triangle ho mu Rurembo rwa Mbarara.
But I wanted to remind everyone here, you officers in your capacities, that the President and the Executive saw it good and clear to have this PPDA Act in place to solve very many things.
Mukuru w'ekitongore Benson Taramye nagira ngo ekigenderwa no kumanyisa abantu abengenderwa hensya kandi eco mutano no kugira ngo eminyeto abakazi hamwe n'abantu abino burema ha mibiri yabo nabo kuhebwa umugisha go kubanza omeremeji
abakutunga imirimo yo gukora kandi n'intasire yabo umaka ingo mu mashabo gabo kweyongera azecho kukira munonge eminyeto abatine imirimo nabo batunga imirimo bakorete ndezi ubuceka 15 arigana muri district ninga university ya government ninga ya government nimwe barano bakora eri kurabiro procurement.
The ministry should include the procurement, the PPDA people in the orientation program. Because some of these local leaders don't know. That's why they conflict with you procurement officers. If someone bidded at the 10 million, why have you given the one of 13? Those are the questions. They don't know that there are some other guidelines that are supposed to be followed.
The government is supporting local content. Kandi okukitaho kyabe kiragyo olukukyenda nkimanyiisa buli ahenda amateeka ariko okugenda amateeka tukutwara omukooti.
Emishomeji neyo kwetorora ombyange bindo kwetorora ihanga okwera barukora emirimo eje okugura hamwe n'okuguza ombyange okukora kurungi emirimo yabo. Aha bwa TV West inde Akiza.
Webare Akiza abebembezi bedini zone mu district ya Shema bashabire abebembezi abahirize kusinga karuru nabo abasingirwe n'abatezi bakaruru okugira obusinge no kwatanisa mu myaka eje 5.
Abasingira karuru n'abasingirwe okaburwa ngo bakwatanise nubwo abanyadini bedini zona beteranira hase na bintu gadini skabohe bakageraho kushava no kwedesana aho batiro mukona hacyandiko icyo kwatanisa atari mu byo kurwanagana.
Ecyatweta no kugira ngo tugire bitwaye ihaho tubinage haze byo buguzi bwinji nibyo yatanga kugirota tokangira ngo kwatese umweji ninga bibuli ogirengana katebe koko kumuzire bwabika ebyo buguzi bwinji nebukwabaho okwatira hakantu kake akokwa
kandi nubona kugira ukwikiriza kubona okwakumbasa kwiha kwenshozi konkatine kukunda nkaba ntari kintu kandi nubona gaba ibintu byanje byona kuri saboro kandi nubona kayo umubiri gwanje kucuba konkatine kukunda tikine cyakungasira
wabano mayangu omaka gawe tine cyo bakuryamo noba wafire nubora buhurire akuba batarisa n'abagenzi konka wabuhurire uyu no mutuma guhurire gukumanya rahanga nobaine kurisa abantu mutisime mukamo.
Abembezi ba gavumenti abasingira karuru n'abatarasingire bahumugiza abahagizi babo kurwa mu ntaro.
Sasirani abo kwa quota of loading njire noja kubura horate bindi mwene myaka tumaziro mwaka turiyo mbururu ntuza kubona myaka 5 mwene wabo tihire mwebe byo mwaka ogu okutubetu rumu mazima ntuje kubura iturateke ebitukuza kora abanyashimwe
mwiho bwoba mushare na koresha ruhanga we yayangizire munagwihamo oba bakurwanisa bata actually you don't even call it kurwanisa niyo competition. Are we together? tureke twihemu icyo kintu cyo kugira ngo nanga kandwanise no.
Abahabuzi ba presidenti ababiri bebembere Professor Ephraim Kamuntu ohereze kusingo bwa MP Shema South na Chris Rakasisi bazerengwe cyabire kituranti ziringa Shema n'entaro z'amadini ngo nahabwe cyo buryo mwasasire mugenzi we.
Twantenda kuba bakuru b'abantu tubahereze babo. That's the message. Banyashema mwe bare kutwete
enyine yemwe okutura hamwe umbumwe hako nyine muno basako bara hamwe konka batari umbumwe kuko kutura hamwe umbumwe
nabwanyuma bakwasize Professor Ephraim Kamuntu kubanwe yabatwara rukushaba kwabo wa presidenti kugira ngo burira mzo erehihi naho kuza kora abakoransi government isigaye yakora ubuto kugataha gashaka Mike twakira
webare tuzageruka tumureho tuyishe n'amakuru agevye mizano.
Nyikiriza nkwanjurira ishomero rurunji ryo mutindo Exodus College School Wakiso hihi na Wakiso Town Hoima Road ona erevo kandi bine center number Exodus College yina gandi mashomero gari hasi yago Mirembe Exodus Senior Secondary School na Exodus Kinder Care and Junior School abeje mifariso baragishanga hishomero ebyase curite ni guruguru ishomero riri hamusinje gwe kanisa na madina gandi baragacira buri nyikiriza ababurenje rwizoba babigurire office mu kibuga mbarara aha Amazon Building Fro yo kubanza umwaruro gwa kabiri room nambi 12 gamba nabo mu office 0 mushanju mwende 2 kinana nemwe inshanju 15 0 mushanju 00 ashatu neina kinana na munana kinana ne 2 ukwandika beji kuri kugendo meisho
New Vision aha myaka 80 bakuretera makoma butunu live on concert bwanyuma y'imyaka 25 bakaririrwe aba makoma bagaruka kutekiro cy'amani ecyo kweshongora no kwisa urwa katanu ebiro mukaga byo kwa kashatu omwakogu aha Rukororo Independence Grounds Tera Star 25 okugura tickets yahashinje mitware 5 aha bwabona 15 aha bwa VIP 25 ahabwa VVIP wayende meza tera notu mushanju 58 chenda na mkaga 11 mkaga na mkaga tariho kuguruza ticket aha miryango utakaburaho makoma live on concert Bishagikire Pacific Events Lion Records.
Yantode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe jibwena abahiriza sini ya kanane ya mkaga kwisha kwa handitsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarusa na lab technology omwejero kwenda umwanya oshemero kubukikiro kubara no rujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwo kwenda kushoma diploma oshemero kuboyine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire myaka 2 mu field buri mweje na hawo mugisha go kushoma gan mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera mugisha go kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills na byo bitakwibiri basaries zichiruko mugiro bwira ishomero nirishangwa ryantonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kuma ibiri kukira hotera no tumushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na 4
Best friend wa fe emuteni yo ya dala gamati best friend emuteni yo ya dala nyo
tutandikide Kampala ne tugenda mu gwanga lyonna nga tugaba school fees wa mwaka mulamba
twebaza omukama okuba nti nno atuwadde omukisa guno ate ne MTN okuba nti esasulidde omwana fees ez'omwaka omulamba ebe tutikudde omugugu era kuba sente ezo ziba nyingi nnyo
sasula school fees ng'okozesa momo onyiga star emu mukaga 5 star 80 hash ng'osasula school fees w'omwana wo essomero nga liwangula school van nawe bw'oba kwegamba nga embeera ekukutemu ng'ofuna school fees loan weewaawo.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away. You're a hot air balloon that can go to space. by the way. Sip on Mirinda today and show your smile, please. The world smiles back at you, so come on, smile, please. Sip on Mirinda today, let's see those smiles, please. Sip on Mirinda today and spread those smiles, please. Sip on Mirinda today and show your smile, please. The world smiles back at you, so come on, smile, please. Spread the smile.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Hey! Makobore High School rukunjiri. Ernishomero eryabojo bonka. Eri barukushoma barukurarayo. Bine ona erevo. Nibegesa arts na sciences. Bine computer na science laboratories.
Ubuzima beji bona nibayikira iguru. Administrators na staff n'abahangu batendekirwe kurungi. Ishomero riryamusinje gwedini kandi abeji bona nibegesa bw'emice nibaresibwa kurungi. Ebyo kwirinda birije.
Hey! Makobore High School nishomero erukunda ebyemizano nka football, basketball, volleyball, handball, otebirwe nebya music, dance and drama. Makobore High School twehireyo okubasa kushomesa omwana w'omwojo akaba wo mugasho nyensya nirishangwa rukunjira municipality aha mushozi go bureberezi obwa Kigezi Diocese oburukwebemberwa Bishop Onesimus Asimwe.
Mureta beji emyanya takahwireyo moto yabo ni Ascendimas. Ebiri kukiraho tera noti mushanju notemwe nkaga ni 5 noti ina hatano ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 5 nkaga na mushanju anana mwenda nshanju ni 3 ninga noti mushanju 82 nkaga na mukaga hatano ni 4 makumyana.
Amakuru g'ebyemizano timu ziri kurenga 80 ez'amashomero ga senior nizo zahambwa okwetaho mu mpaka za Jovok Basketball Open ezo murundo gwe 12 ezirabeho kutandika n'ebiro mushanju by'okwezo kwa kashatu omwaka ogu akashozi Nyamutanga omurimba City. Elizoba twatayira ishomero rya St Joseph's okureba kubetebekanisize empakezi.
Harukubra yesandi birizonka empaka z'amashomero ga senior za Jovok Basketball Open zo murundo gwe 12 kubaho. Timu zitari zimwe na zimwe ezirumwa abatebekanisa ba St Joseph's Vocational School zirya hakutendekwa kwa mani okwetegurira empaka ezo mwaka ogu. Alex Byamukama oryo mutendeki wa timu ya St Joseph's Vocational School nagira ngo ha murundo ogu okutendekwa kwabo bakutandikire kare kibahwere kusinga empakezi ezabahererukire kusinga obuzitongozi bwaho omwaka gw'2013.
Ntwenda ngo abana nabo baruje yabo kuzana basketball okubaragumize mba kuzana ezempaka nabo bakazana omu NBL ningashi empaka ezarije akampara nkomuzano gw'abantu abatari kufaho bingi amashomero mingi gakora kufaho konkitwe aho kugira ngo ntumanya uburungi bwa basketball cyari kumanyisa na munonga habwiro ubu abantu baseme kwambaza omunsi bakareba skill bako bagize ningo kuhomoga bako bagizere ningashi talent bako bagire kabasa kubayamba umagara gawo.
Father Christopher Katono orumukuru w'ishomereri nagira ngo empakezi zihwerire cyangwa mu kutunguka ko muzano gwa basketball aho abazana binji barugiremo ko babazana barunji kwika rurengo rwensi yona. timu ezero kurenga 80 ez'aboojo n'abishiki nizo zahamibwe kwija kwetaba mu mpaka z'izoba rumwe ezirabihebera omushanju by'okwezi okurukwija hari Nyamitanga omu Rurembo Mbarara ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.
Webade Edwin Ram round ya 32 ey'empaka za Uganda Cup nekutandika weekend eji kandi team eyambara City neza kuritana na KCCA FC ahachaye Philip Omondi omuri Rugogo omuri Kampala. Jackson Magera omwe abatende cyaba KCCA FC yayoreka kubi n'amatsiko okusinga omuzano ogwo.
Mpera sigwena kuba mwangu mbara City tugambya gama nti netekola nekati empaka zineza kakungulu zibazanjawulo kozo buli mpira gozanya kuba final so tetusobola kubeera netugamba nti performance yabo eri wetya twetegese bulungi era twekengera buli mbeera yonna abasambu bali very alert kubanga mpira tujja kutwala nti mpira mwangu nnyo.
First of all, the character starts with our coaches. You know how they do things. You always see how they speak during interviews, so it also grew in us, and we have been working on it for a while. But sometimes we haven't been. We always failed with results, but finally we managed to pull up our stockings and to see that we win the games.
Amakuru agabimsano nugo twinire kandi ngo gahindera Agacencwire ahwicereke ntukusima mnonga yogomere nitwa TV West. Serena Nuwamanya na ine Sunday Brian nabanda twakora nabo ntubendeza okurara kurunje.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na yeyo beidondolo. You can now get all the chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubei Dondolo. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Ekiri kuratako
Ajirwe bana Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima Bachogela Hub Products olw'okufufugaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tunyiriza bato n'abakulu era basimye empereza yaffe tuleese ebipya ku katale.
Good Times Kawara Primary School nituyikiriza ngu buli mwezi nayetenga kutandika je kurugaha nasari kwika P7
Omuzire obuhanguzi n'obutunga washomeseza omwana St. Peter's SS Bombo Kalule. Okumbereba nekushiwaho oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe nekolera
ayimukama wanje ukagaruka meshahara zanje Tina Events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents z'ebike bindi byona akasente kensheko Summit Gold Hotel ni twoburaro bwo murembe buri kisenge kiri mu DSTV Intercom na Wi-Fi tuneza cottages za gardens impango izo kona mu amagenyi
program kumbireba Summit Gold Hotel niyo hoteli hati sofa eroho ehanjire twena niyo tukuza nabwecho niwezayo gonga no mango muntu namara umwaka gwona asitamira umanyaguma onachiwe no mango abantu mbarga 40 abantu barga kasese abantu barga kabari barga chikagate kwijambarara imwe bambarara mutakujimanya vuga just in kilometers nkamukaga ikahariya God Summit Hotel baharwe oreba oburungi bwambarara ohurembeho nanakabeho yes embogo nchocho kunywa echo rabasa kunywa okahura wagumurije kandi kitakuteganise kuyo kikakuhereza obutebekana akacupa na sirinjiro 10 embogo mbagikoraho buseru witoko rwemirinzi yes kandi waromba gikorare kandi abakugikora ntubamanya abakumixinga je ebishaka byabo manye bo bujuma bwondo mukomera bwona mborgo mbishaka hata magokoza kurinda ngoza hirwaro yenywere embogo Tina Events bine mega tents zabo nozo zonka ezo kuba izo kwasa kwereza no bakwiza enkuba ningo umuyaga kwingana gutukwasa kujiyo kante kuterwa nkuba aboke ina kanara akantu kaka kenkubeki kandi echo mu considering aboka ate joinest amsabante 12 nkuba yabatera Abraham mwana wana abazingo mu mfuba nabwe echo muzeyo babahereze obuherezo obwe omwana wa wariyo nazo musinia 1 omushaho medicine engineering ebya oil ebya pharmacy ebyanje binashomere medical laboratory technology na nebindi byona ebyo mugasho ebyo tuba kutandika kubishomesa omusinia 6 omwana wawe nabuyazo omusinia 1 hata omwana wawe no kumugambira ukagamba nawe cyakwenda kuba yes ukamugambira haratamani kandi nawe ukareba nayenda ki mani byo kutesagana omuzira tagamba na mwana we akwenda kugira ngo we naza kumuhereza sente omwana ashome cyakwenda ruhanga naza kuyamba abo barinka 2% konko mwana yazo musinia 1 from the word go nayenda kubaki nienda kuba doctor asino ba doctor okugukubara no ba doctor takushoma biology physics and wajetegereza noza kuba doctor ota anyago kundebera nienda kuba royo burujungo tano ya yumunana na bwecho omwana wo kugamba nawe omwana naenda kuba roya iwono ndabe doctor so mwino kwikirizana muri abazire babiri iwo mushija abwakini okusharaho ngo mwana wawe abe doctor tokwenda kubuza nyina ejo nizonsobeza mani abwakimo mwembere mbanze mwikirizane muri mu kitanda cyanyu kumuraheze mu approaching omwana bagambere okwakwenda kuba involve the siblings the elder siblings abana bakuru uko mwana mukabera numuhereza amagezi umwana atakagira musinia 1 ne mugire ho meeting aho mbaga kakoko mutuma kabozo mfamu muzo mu mbuga mwenka muganire nabwo cyo omwana wo mutebekanisi naenda kuba mu kiganiro as a family mu involving elders then aho tumanyi mwakasente kawo tukakufabusha nukwe kubereba iwe no birebota
okumbireba yaba ni ku kibuga
oyine mbogoka naba mulungi ayibambe ne kolera
ayimukama wanje ukagaruka meshahara zanje
Atina Events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rw'ensiyona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent z'ebike bindi byona akasente kenshi ko
Summit Gold Hotel ni twoburaro bwo murembe buri kisenge kiri mu DSTV intercom na wifi tuneza cottages za gardens impango zo kona mu amagenyi
Olina omutwe oguluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusujja. Waliwo Kirama Plus. Kirama Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyamba ku mbuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kirama Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera, genda olabe omusawo.
Hati mukyala.
Wanje mwami.
Nomanya abaana nibagaruka y'ishomero kandi ebintu bikiri kubi. Aha bwashota kutwara icweka cya fiza y'ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma.
Mwami wanje abwacita kushashura ntukozesa momo naho tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabwo no basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero agacejumbira muri basa kwangura school van
Namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gwona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na van y'ishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni ya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Can I have your number?
Our families don't meet eye to eye.
You tell your grandfather was a mere squatter.
What's happening?
We cannot afford to lose any more business. Today I want to settle this once for all.
It was like we inherited our family wars.
Love and Beyond Season 1, Monday to Friday at 8:30 p.m. on Power Magic Prime. Stay connected to DSTV channel 148 and Go TV channel 303.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Looking sharp has never been this easy. Welcome to Bright Suits. Be your own label. Located at La Grand Mall, High Street, Barara, Level 2, Shop number 5. Right in the same building with Equity Bank. At Bright Suits, we customize premium office wear for both men and women. Plus, wedding suits, graduation suits, Kawunda suits, and more. Whether you're dressing for business or your big day, we've got the perfect fit for you. Call us today on 0751 075 108 or 0777 081 196. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Bright Suits and check out Taylor at Omuwazizi on X, formerly Twitter. Bright Suits, be your own label.
Can I have your number?
Our families don't meet eye to eye.
You tell your grandfather was a mere squatter.
What's happening?
We cannot afford to lose any more business. Today I want to settle this once for all.
It was like we inherited our family wars.
Love and Beyond Season 1, Monday to Friday at 8:30 p.m. on Power Magic Prime. Stay connected to DSTV channel 148 and Go TV channel 303.
Omuzire obuhanguzi n'obutunga washomeseza omwana St Peter's SS Bombo Kalule eryebembera gandi kubangura beji okutunga obuhango bw'omutano aha rurengo rwa senior kandi bari kuhangahangaho omurembo guri mu science hamwe na teknologiya. St Peter's SS Bombo Kalule eyina omwanya gwehererire kandi gutebekanisiibwe kwera omweji kukiriza ebigendererwa by'ebyokushoma classes n'impango oburaro bw'omurembe
n'obwire abeegi nibarebererwa kurungi nitwebembeza n'okukuza talanta z'abeegi omu music dance and drama n'ebyemizaano twine O na A level handi kisomo eky'erizooba omwojo ningashi omwishiki akuguce omu kushoma kw'omurembe kuriho hati tushanje mayiro 23 ruguto rwa bombo aha main road pera noti mushanje 53 nkaga nina 28 32
Start something new, something uplifting, something so effortless and golden. A thirst-quenching burst of sweetness and multi-flavor. So rich and full of memories. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Try it. Savor it. Feel it elevate every moment. Sip after sip, gulp after gulp. After all, life's about turning ordinary thrills into golden chills.
Start something malty with the new Evervest Malt Apple and Pineapple. Try the burst of sweetness and malty flavor. It's 100% taste, 0 alcohol. Available in a shop or supermarket near you. Evervest Malt. Make every moment golden. Evervest Malt is from the makers of Pepsi Cola in Uganda.
Live from Nairobi, this is Focus on Africa on BBC News. Our top stories. A stormy day at Nigeria's National Assembly as lawmakers pass amendments to a bill allowing both electronic and manual transmission of results for the 2027 general elections.
Having backup will not solve the problem, and my position is that the INEC should follow the will of the